You're welcome to my channel. My name is Kumi. Today I'll be showing you how to thread this overlocking machine. But first, I would like you to get familiarized with it first. This switch turns on the light while this turn on and off the machine. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be using these threads. There are three of them, and I'm going to locate the tip of the first thread, pass through this hole from behind and to this place. I will repeat the same process for the remaining two. So basically, I'm going to let you do more of observation while I interject with my explanation whenever I feel it's necessary. This is a picker. There are some places our hands will not be able to easily navigate through, so we are going to be needing that. We'll proceed with the first thread, going to put it here, going to pass it through this place, and this way open up. There are three of this. I'm going to pass through the first hole. There are three places this thread must also pass through. I'm going to pass it through two first. It's not difficult, but just that I have my camera really close and I don't want to shake it. Yeah, it has entered. A quick recap. This way, can you see? I passed it through the first of that three holes, and then it entered these places, two of them, and then there is a third one. Going to pass it through. And I'm going to pass it through from the front to the back, not the back to the front. Yeah, I'm just going to open up before I proceed. Drag to the right, press this down. Yeah, I'm going to put the thread in between this object, and then I'm going to pass it through the eye of our first needle, but the eye is underneath, so I'm going to roll the header this way to bring the eye out. So it's out now. So I'm just going to pass through. We are done with the first threading, or should I say the first needle. Here is the second one, and the third one, just so we know that we are done with the upper part. There are four O's on top of this place, although we have three threads. Just use three of the O's. Don't get confused. and then it enters air, just dragging it out. Going to pass it. This is the second one. It enters the holes that are on top, and then the third one enters the holes that are underneath. Can you see? The second one goes through this. The third one comes underneath. Can you see? This is the second one. This way. The third one comes underneath. This is the second one. Keeps going up. At this point, let's just see the second thread into the end. So this is the second needle. There is a hole at the back of the needle, so we are going to pass it through that first before it goes through the eye. To see the eye, I'm going to roll the header, and you can see it has come out. Pass it through and bring it out to meet the first thread. So the second stage is done. Here is the third and the final. Pass it through the rest of the hole. This is the third needle, but before it passes through that, I just realized that I omitted a place, so it's going to pass through this place first, and then the third needle. But before then, pass it through. Can you see my hand? Pass it through that side, bring it out to the other side. Before it passes through the eye of the third needle, like the second needle, the third needle also has a hole at the back. So we are going to pass it through the hole from the back to the front. Can you see? This is the third needle. Going to bring it out, and then I'm going to push the thread back to where it came from, to the other side. Can you see? So I'm going to roll the header, and this is what it looks like first. This is what it looks like. The back of the third needle. This is what it looks like, and then I'm going to roll the header to so I can thread the third one. Can you see? Let me bring it close. Having rolled the header, this is what the third needle looks like. So I just pass it through. Can you see the one that comes from behind? Yeah. So that's all. I'm just going to bring it out to meet the rest of the threads. Just a quick recap. Raise this up, push this underneath, and release. Yeah, going to try it. Can you see? So to raise the foot, I'm going to press this first pedal, and to weave, I'm going to press this second one, this to weave. So to raise the foot up, I press the first pedal. Can you see it's up? And to weave, I'm going to press the other one. Can you see? This is what it looks like. So I'm going to show you briefly how to change your thread subsequently. You don't have to go through all of this rigor over and over again. Just cut the thread from behind, insert your new threads, and join the two together, the new and the existing thread. Make a knot twice. Tie it the first time, tie it one more time. I don't think it should be more than two times so it can pass through the needle. I think it should also be more than one time so it won't cut somewhere along the line. In my next tutorial, I'll be showing you how to maintain this machine, the oiling, how to clean it, etc. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.